I'm Diana and I'm 17 years old. Because the war is starting in my country, so we come to here.
I remember when the Syrian refugee arrived in Zmani, there were no clean water for them, there were no food for them. And some of the families were imprisoned by ISIS. Only the children were able to survive.
Psychosocial support is this idea that children need to have support, they need to feel safe, they need to be comfortable in order to learn. And that's all the more true for children who are refugees and have been through traumatic events.
The children culture center we called Kaziwa. Kaziwa is a space between the night and day. It's very, very clear and very purity time.
My name is Dr. Kara McBride. I'm a senior education specialist at World Learning. And we're here because we just started a new program called Syrian Refugee Kids Can Code. The program is teaching refugee kids from ages 11 to 14 to code using Kano computers. The idea that you can build something is very powerful, and just the confidence boost that it seems to instantly give kids.
So through those computer programs and courses, more children come into the center, and also to educate them and give them more lessons and to make them the development and the mentality and the talents of the children. There were more than 2.5 million refugees in Kurdish areas. The total population of Kurdistan is about 4.5 million, so imagine.